Simple kitchen-made oil controls diabetes, cholesterol, and cures kidneys. Cinnamon has been used for thousands of years as a spice ingredient in kitchen. Cinnamon has many health benefits as well. It provides iron, calcium, and minerals to our bodies. Cinnamon for type 2 diabetes. According to the American Diabetes Care, cinnamon reduces serum glucose, triglyceride, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol in people with type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon for cholesterol improves serum glucose, lowering fasting blood glucose and reducing triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol. These are all benefits that can help even including those with hereditary cholesterol worries or problems. Cinnamon for kidneys. Unhealthy lifestyles can have a tremendous negative effect on kidney, which leading to failure of the kidneys. Alloxan and other environmental toxins are eliminated from kidneys by regular use of cinnamon. How to make cinnamon oil? Ingredients: cinnamon sticks, olive oil, tall and wide-mouthed bowl, and amber bottle. Process: place cinnamon sticks into the bowl. Pour olive oil on sticks to cover whole sticks. Keep in a warm area for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Shake once in every day to mix olive oil with the sticks. After 3 weeks, pull out cinnamon sticks. Strain the oil. Place the oil in an airtight amber bottle. Store in a cool, dry place. Directions to use: mix 1 or 2 drops in your tea or drinking water and drink slowly. Do this daily for better results. You can use few drops in hot water for bath. Mix cinnamon oil with carrier oil and massage on stomach for digestion problems. By doing this regularly, you can reduce diabetes, cholesterol, and kidney problems. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Fenugreek, that is methi herbal tea for diabetes. Fenugreek, a traditional herbal treatment for diabetes. Do you know fenugreek is a good supplement to cure diabetes and keeps you healthy? Fenugreek seeds contain fiber and other chemicals that helps to slow digestion and the body's absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. Benefits with fenugreek: keeping your blood sugar at normal levels, maintain healthy blood glucose levels. Fenugreek used in cooking are generally considered good for health. Fenugreek seeds helps to control type 2 diabetes. Making of fenugreek tea: 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, required amount of water, lemon for additional flavor, and sugar or honey to sweeten. Take a crusher and crush some fenugreek seeds in it. Boil water in required amount using kettle or stove. Crush the fenugreek seeds lightly and mix with boiled water, and now cover with a lid and leave for 3 minutes, then strain it with regular strainer. Use half teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon honey to avoid methi bitter taste. Now, fenugreek tea is ready to take for diabetes-free and good digestion. Fenugreek tea can take hot or cold. Take fenugreek tea daily for good results. Best ways of consuming fenugreek seeds are: roast dry fenugreek seeds on medium-high heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Stir frequently and add 1 teaspoon over Indian curries, salads, and fried dishes. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight, keeping them in a jar covered with a cloth for few days until tiny green shoots appear. The sprouted fenugreek seeds can be added to any kind of salads or can take directly. Tip: fenugreek powder and curd mix works wonder for hair and maintains healthy scalp. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.